Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are revising chapter number 1, Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow, and we have completed its reading and its vocabulary, and we are doing its exercise. As you know that we have completed its part A, comprehension, and part B, working with words. Today we are going to solve its part C, learning about language. This is page number 8 and we are going to do its part C. Here some reminder is given to you that in book 2, when you was the student of class 2, you learned about nouns, adjectives and verbs. Do you remember what you learn about nouns? So here a brief definition of noun is given. A noun is the name of something. Something mean a noun is the name of person, place, things or ideas. Example is given here. The girl sat on the fence. You are looking here that girl is also a person and fence is a thing, so both are noun. The underlined words are noun, they are things. Now look at the first one statement. Write these sentences in your notebook in the correct order. Students, look here, some sentences are given here and the numbering is from A to G, and these sentences are given to you in a random way. If you arrange these sentences, it become a little story of some kind. So I'm going to read it out for you. The A sentence is, the man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him. B part, the taxi went off down the road. C, a taxi arrived and the man got in. D part, he was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. E part, the driver asked him for some money. F part, the bus did not come. G part, the taxi arrived at the house. You can look here that the sentence arrangement is different. If we arrange these sentences, this become a story. Like the first one sentence will come that he was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. The next sentence will be the bus did not come. Then a taxi arrived and the man got in. The fourth one sentence will be the driver asked him for some money. Then you will write the man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him. Now you can look that the taxi went off down the road. Then the taxi arrived at the house. So in this way you have to write it out on your notebook. I have written these sentences in arranged form for you on your notebook and you have to follow that. Now students, take a look of this work. You have to arrange these sentences in this way and you have to give the appropriate numbering. First of all, you will write down the D sentence. He was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. Then F sentence will come over there. The bus did not come. Then C part will be there. A taxi arrived and the man got in. Then E part you will write. The driver asked him for some money. Then A sentence will come. The man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him. Then B part will come. The taxi went off down the road. Then you will write down the G part. The taxi arrived at the house. So this is the right arrangement of these sentences and the correct order of these sentences. Now we move towards the part 2 of learning about language, and this is now underline all the nouns in the sentences that you just wrote down. So students, here you have written all these sentences in arranged form and you have to underline all the nouns which are present in these sentences. So first of all I will give you a definition of noun. As I have told you earlier that noun is a name of thing, place, person or idea. So you have to underline all the words which are related to things. So take a look of that. Now take a look of this work. The first one sentence is he was sitting on a bench waiting for a bus. You can look here in this sentence that bench is also the name of a thing and bus is also a name of a thing. So both these words are noun and you have to underline these words. The bus did not come. So again bus is here noun. A taxi arrived and the man got in. Here the word taxi and man both are nouns and you have to underline these two words. The driver asked him for some money. Now you can observe that driver is a name of a person and money is thing. So these both are nouns. The man took a note out from his pocket and gave it to him. Here man is the name of a person, note and pocket are things. So these three are nouns in this sentence. The taxi went off down the road. Here taxi and road both are the names of things. So these both words are noun. The taxi arrived at the house. Taxi and house both are the names of things. Taxi and house both are the names of things. So these both words are noun. So this exercise is complete to you. So this exercise is completed now. Learning about language, and I think so it's quite clear to you and you have to do this homework on your notebooks. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.